Nike sandals, or you can say slides. I showed you the green colorway. Now let's have a look at the white, gray and black colorway. So this is for me. I'm gonna use them. Nike off-court slides. Okay, so the difference, I might have the box somewhere. Yep. Okay, so Nike off-court slides SE, and this one, like, you cannot purchase more than one at a time. Like, it's a member access type of thing where you can only buy one of these. So I bought one and then I later bought another one for my friend. So even though the boxes size are same, it's same, it's completely same, but these one are size 15 and these one are size 11, so UK 14 and UK 10. Let's have a look at this one. So Nike off-court slides, dark gray, black and white, and yep, same branding as usual. So the box is fine. One as well. So comment down below how you like my videos and subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and tell me if there is any new shoe or sneaker you want me to review or show it in person before you go ahead and buy it, so that even though Nike, you can return anything, so why waste the time, don't you think? Okay, on feet review. Okay guys, this is the on feet review of the gray white Nike slides, gray white and black colorway Nike slides. Okay, don't make fun of me for wearing socks underneath these. So yeah, the green ones, like, I ordered these first and then I realized that the sizing is all messed up. You can see this is UK size 8 and my feet are coming out of the slides. It's not because of the socks. These are extremely comfortable, don't get me wrong about that, but do order size 4 up, because this is UK size 8 and they look like this, and your feet will be coming out of the shoes. Like, the foam is really thick, so you cannot put your feet or push your feet all the way up till here. You can try, but it's going to ruin the shoe. So what I would recommend, even with, like, I've done it all, like, I cannot push it any further and it's still, yeah, it's fine, but still, for the comfort or the way the slides should feel, I would recommend going size 4 up, 4 size up. Like, if you're UK 8, go to UK 10, not 8.5, not 9, not 9.5, size 10. Okay, hope you like this. Go like and subscribe. Bye.